Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry we've been so AWOL, we've been busy visiting family and moving to a new city, and in this video we're going to be telling you guys our plans for 2022 and what we've been up to for the last few weeks.
Talking about a new city, welcome to our new home, Cape Town. Claire's starting the new year with a new tradition called windsurfing. This is the Cape Town initiation. There's many of these open ocean water pools around Cape Town, and they are very, very cold, usually like 10 degrees, something like that. So yeah, so if you do like windsurfing, Cape Town is a really cool place to do that. It's good for your body recovery and your mental fatigue and your mental capacity. So it's quite a cool little thing to do. I'm gonna fly the drone, so I'll do it next time. And don't worry, this by no means is the end of our travels. It's just that travel is very difficult right now. Even in 2022, we're still seeing countries implementing 10-day quarantines, 14-day quarantines, and just changing the regulations every single day basically. So until things get a little bit easier, we're happy to just set up a base and then do a couple of international trips, such as the one in 6 weeks' time. You'll be finding out about it pretty soon.
So we've chosen Sea Point to be our base here in Cape Town. We absolutely love this area, and let's take you down to the world famous promenade to show you why we chose Sea Point and to tell you a bit about what we've been up to this year. That's like one of the reasons too.
This is the famous Sea Point Promenade. It virtually runs all the way from Greenpoint up to almost Camps Bay. It's about 7+ kilometers, and you can do whatever you want here, from skateboarding, rollerblading, cycling, running, jogging, playing with your dogs. Paragliders land here on the grass. There's just such a vibe. It's so fun. Every morning, every afternoon, every day of the week, this place is absolutely packed with active people doing all sorts of activities. So that's exactly one of the reasons why, because we want to get a bit more active, look after our bodies. We chose to live here in Sea Point because we can virtually just walk 100 meters and we are right here on this beautiful promenade. There's also tons of little beaches sprinkled along the promenade, so it's quick access to the beaches too. Overall, just absolutely love this location.
That's also another reason why we love Sea Point Promenade. The dogs, oh my gosh, at sunset time, all the dogs come out here to play. It's so freaking cute. It's just like Bali, but yeah, it's South Africa.
It's also super central located in terms of getting to Camps Bay and Clifton beaches, which are, Google them now, they're some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. And then right behind us over here, Signal Hill, and over there, Lion's Head. So very, very close to some of the best hikes.
Another thing to mention about Sea Point is that the cafe and restaurant scene around here is incredible. There are some amazing little restaurants and cafes to co-work at and to have drinks, and meals with friends, so that's what we've been doing quite a bit. And we've also been going to the famous Mojo Market. If you haven't been to Mojo Market in Sea Point yet, you definitely have to go. It's such a vibe. It's got like 3 different bars, live music, sports games playing on the television, and so many different little market stalls with incredible food from all over the world. So definitely check out Mojo Market as well. And some of our favorite co-working spaces are like Naked Cafe, the Strangers Club, and New Cafe. New Cafe is actually right at the bottom of our apartment, and so is Woolworths and Vita E Cafe, and just so many things. We're in one of the most incredible locations, honestly, in the whole of Cape Town. For those digital nomads wondering, yeah, you co-work in cafes, but is the internet good? Dude, literally we had 250 megabits per second at Naked Cafe, up and down. So yeah, some of the best Wi-Fi we've seen in the whole world. That brings me to the thought, I don't know if you guys know David Dobrik, but he was recently in South Africa, and on his Instagram story he's like, dude, I'm in the middle of Africa. He was in Johannesburg, and he's like, oh, I have full signal and full bars here. Yes, we do have internet in South Africa, and some places have incredible Wi-Fi speeds. So internet and signal and LTE is not an issue here, guys, don't worry. Speaking of co-working, if you're a digital nomad or a content creator like us, you'll love Cape Town. It's such a good spot to co-work with people and meet like-minded people. We've been hanging out with some really cool content creators and digital nomads while being here in Cape Town. We feel at home, bro. It's so cool. It's very similar to Bali in the sense that you go to a cafe and you meet new people, and yeah, most people around here do what you do and work online, so it's really cool. We've been hanging out with a really cool content creator called Nicholas. If you haven't checked out his channel, oh my goodness, I'll link it above here. He is so incredible. And then we've been hanging out with a couple of South African content creators as well. It's been so much fun. Like our fellow brew creator Travis Springer. We've been hanging out a lot with him and doing cool adventures. You'll see him in a further video when we go camping in the Cedarburg Mountains. And one of our good friends, Tim Kofodo and Katrin, they're here from Bali and they're loving it so far. So definitely come to Cape Town if you are a content creator or digital nomad. Let's do it. And behind me is Camps Bay Beach, one of the world-class beaches here in Cape Town. We've been taking advantage of the really sunny days and hanging out by the beach with our friends, trying to get some color into our skin, and also trying to get used to the Cape Town water. It looks beautiful and everything, but it is so cold, guys, like so cold. So we've been trying to get used to that. And then we've also been doing a couple of hikes. We did Constantia Neck, we've done Signal Hill, we plan to do Table Mountain very soon. And then we did a camping trip away to the Cedarburg Mountains where we had the most intense hike to Wolfberg Arch. So stay tuned for that video, it's coming very soon. Okay, time to talk about the exciting stuff, our travel plans for 2022.
We plan to visit a total of about 8 countries, provided everything goes our way and there aren't any complications in terms of some quarantines or countries being closed to South Africa again. So that's on the cards, starting with a trip in 5 weeks time to New York City.
USA, USA.
We have a bunch of family and friends we're going to be meeting there. We're also going to be finally meeting up with Tim and Finn, who, if you don't know, are the people we actually work for. Claire manages their YouTube and Instagram, and I do their video editing. So we finally going to meet them after around 3 years of working together.
Hectic. And then after America, we are heading down to Mexico. I'm so excited. It's been a long time coming. Wow, so excited to eat tacos and burritos
and tequila.
Street food, that's something I really miss. Street food.
We actually have a wedding we're going to be attending. I think it's on like the 17th of March. So that's the main reason for going to Mexico. But why not just hang around in the area for the next 3 weeks after that?
And it's actually our friend Alexa and Nate's wedding in Mexico. They're American. If you've been following us for a long time, you would have seen Alexa in our old vlogs back when we taught English in Vietnam. She was our roommate. She's a sister from another mister, so we're heading to her wedding. So exciting. We were actually there when they got engaged, so that's pretty special.
Yeah, so overall, it's going to be a really exciting 3 months starting off the year. Then we'll be back in Cape Town for April, May, June probably, and then July we're planning a trip to Turkey, Albania, Croatia, Morocco and Egypt if we're lucky. So that's the plans for the first 6 months of the year.
If you follow us on Instagram, we shared our bucket list destinations, and I feel like I'm ticking off a lot of my bucket list destinations this year. Egypt is number 1 on my list, so I'm super excited for that. And then to end off the year, we really want to do Christmas in the UK. We want to do a white Christmas. We've never had one before. And then we want to end off the year for New Year's Eve in Dubai.
Woo!
I think
Fireworks.
Yeah, and then I think Alex might join us. Who knows? We'll see.
So that's the rough outline for the year. In between all of that international travel, we have a whole new series coming up on our channel, which will feature mostly South African content for now, but we're going to hopefully branch out to the neighboring countries like Botswana, Namibia, Zimbabwe. So stay tuned, that series is going to be dropping very, very, very soon.
So excited for this year. Let's hope things get better and we're able to travel relatively easily and affordably. We'll see. Stay tuned, guys. So excited.
We're really sorry it's been a quiet start to the year, but we've just been moving from Johannesburg to Cape Town, visiting friends and just recharging and getting ready for the big year ahead.
So if you guys want to learn more about life in Cape Town, South African travels and our new series and international travel, stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, we're looking forward to sharing it all with you guys.
And don't forget to hit the like button. That really helps with the algorithm, helps to get our videos out to more people so more people can see it and hop on board.
So we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.